Azure Monitor starts collecting data from Azure Virtual Machines the moment that they are created. With Azure Monitor for VMs, we will enable agents on the VM to collect and analyze data from the guest operating system, including processes and their dependencies. To activate this, we simply click on Insights. If your virtual machine does not yet have Azure Monitor for VMs enabled, you can simply click on Enable. And now you can select the specific log analytics workspace if you have an existing one, otherwise you can create a new one. In our case, we're going to select an existing log analytics workspace and enable log collection. This will then take a couple of minutes to complete the setup. After a few minutes, the extension has been deployed and some data is sent to the Azure Log Analytics workspace. You can now see that we already see dependencies of that specific server. We can also have some additional performance data from the operating system, such as data from logical disks, memory, IOPS, and much more. If we are going to Azure Monitor, we can now see an overview about all the different servers which we are actually managing.